lesson today is on multiplying and dividing integers. To me, guys, is the easiest one of all integer operations. Rather than just give you a really quick rule how to do it, we're going to run through a couple scenarios so you guys understand. So, if a football team loses 3 yards on 3 consecutive plays, how many yards have they lost? Well, they lose 3 yards on play 1, 3 yards on play 2, 3 yards on play 3, gives us a total of 9 yards they've lost. The temperature drops 5 degrees each day for 4 days in a row. How much colder is it from when this pattern started? Well, it drops 5 degrees the first day, 5 degrees the second day, 5 degrees the third day, 5 degrees the fourth day. Total it up, we have a drop of 20 degrees. So what we're saying here then, it's out of the way. When you multiply or divide integers with different signs, the product of the quotient is negative. Think about it here. We're taking negative 3 times 3. Give us negative 9. Down here, negative 5 4 times, so negative 5 times 4 for negative 20. Easy enough, right? But what if we have this? So kind of ELA connection, guys. If I say I am not hungry, that means I am hungry. Or if I say I don't not like you, well, that really means I like you. We have double negatives here, okay? These double negatives, they kind of canceled out, didn't they? So for our rule, double negative equals a positive. Therefore, when you multiply or divide two negatives, you get a positive for an answer. So if you guys were in class here, you would be doing this up on the board. Since you're not here, I'll run through it real fast. This is negative 9 times negative 8, double negative, positive. Double negative again, negative 6, negative 1, positive. Two positives, well, we know it's positive. Again, we've got double negative, it's also positive. Double negative again is positive. Two positives, stays positive. Two negatives, becomes positive. We've got negative 9, positive 8, different signs. Negative. Negative 6, positive 1, negative. Negative 10, positive 11, negative. Negative, positive, negative. And we see the same thing happening, negative and a positive. Okay, so there we go. Finally, there are a couple of math properties that I've got to share with you. We start with the multiplication property of 0. You guys probably know what this is. I'm just putting a name with the property. The product of a number and 0 is 0. You guys know that. Anything times 0 equals 0. We have the identity property of multiplication. We had this for addition too. It says the product of a number and its multiplicative identity, which is 1, is that number. So the number maintains its identity when you multiply it by 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. 5 times 1 is 5. A times 1 is just going to stay A. A is any number. This concludes your lesson on multiplying and dividing